Okay, we are in Holly Hill today. Kirk found a water heater to change. It is a vintage 1987 model solar panel rig. The solar panels have been ripped off the roof years ago. And now we always get to one of my favorites. What's in your water? Ugh. Stick a little stick in it. Yeah, it's full of chlorine crud. Look at all the little chlorine chunks. Tasty.
Big old ones.
Tasty, tasty. I imagine the recovery time is going to be much improved when we plug in that brand spanking new one.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
All right.
Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Yeah, I was getting old.